Hello guys, it's me, Royal Winter Moon. So you guys, I'm a little bit sick, so that's why I'm not uploading videos a lot. And I'm going to tell you a story about something happened with me and my cousin. Uh, First off, I got Robux yesterday, or before yesterday, the night. My cousin got me the gift card with 2,000 Robux on it and a secret surprise item. So I just got it and I was so happy. But then I told my cousin that I got Robux. Then she just got sad and she said, "Oh, you're lucky. Can you tell my cousin and your cousin, because we're cousins and she's her cousin too. Can you tell your cousin if she can get me a Robux card, please?" Well, I told her I can't because my mom said no, I can't ask for anything. She said there, my mom said no, but can you tell your cousin that I want to surprise her? Then I said, sorry, but I can't. But then she got really mad, so she just want to make me mad or jealous, mad and jealous. So she said, I want to be BFF back with Rania. And Rania got in her account, she hacked her parasol, and I know why she want to be with her. Because she want her to hack me. So then I got really mad. So I just got in the group that she's on it. They do give away Robux, and she really wants Robux. I told them what she did, and they were so sad about me. Then they kind of hate her. So I stopped talking to her, and I'm never gonna forgive her. And I'm also I unfriended her, so we can't talk anymore because she was so annoying. You know, these annoying people. And I told her, I can't get mad. Stop making me mad. I will be more sick. So she made me more mad, and I got a lot of fever yesterday. So that happened yesterday. I told dad that I will like fix the problem. I will fix it. I know how to fix it. The thing I have to fix it is when I see her at grandma's, I won't talk to her. I will ignore her. And when I see her, I won't talk to her. Cause today or yesterday I was going to sleep at her house, but then we found out that she was like rude. So I don't want to sleep at her house anymore. She's so annoying. Imagine you have a cousin every day, like, or every like month. She do this to you. How do you feel? You feel pain. You feel like I don't know what to say. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sick, as I said. But if you want to know what's her YouTube name, her YouTube name is Snowy Lalahihi YouTube. I will just like write it. So thank you guys for hearing my terrible story that happened today. I mean that happened yesterday. See you later, Queenies. Oops, I can't stop it. Wait, let me just do this. Hell no, there's a bonbon. Oh my god, there's a hacker. There's a stupid hacker. That's my nightmare. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, is my cousin here? My cousin can hack her. No, no, hello. I'm so scared. Guys, I have to leave the server. Enjoy this video. Goodbye.